Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed the excavation part on long wall circle and its number. Okay. In this class we discussed the length, breadth and height of the excavation. The long wall will consist two numbers and short wall also two numbers. The length of the long wall formula is what? The center to center distance plus breadth. Which breadth we consider? For excavation, we consider the excavation breadth. For cement concrete, we consider the cement concrete breadth. And first class footing or fast footing, we consider the fast footing breadth. In the base part, we consider the base, which particular we consider to calculate. Okay. So, in case of long wall, the center to center distance is how much? Here the center to center distance is given. How much? Center to center distance is 5.30 for long wall. And short wall is how much? 4.30 meter for short wall. Okay. The center to center distance is given 5.30. Then breadth of long wall, how can we define? First of all, we need to define the breadth of long wall, then we can calculate the length. Okay. The breadth of long wall is how much? We know in case the excavation, it's not to have a particular depth. So, the depth of excavation we consider in the basis of the bottom part of the foundation. Which one is the bottom part of the foundation? The bottom of the part of the foundation is the concrete in foundation. It is the first layer of foundation. So, it is the bottom part of the foundation. So, the excavation breadth we consider in the basis of the bottom part of the foundation. So, the bottom part of the foundation length is how much? Sorry, the bottom part of foundation breadth is how much? 90 centimeter, or we can write here 0.9. So, the breadth of the excavation is equal to the cement concrete breadth. Okay. So, here the breadth of the foundation put here 0.90 meter for long wall and 0.90 for short wall, because the cross section of both long wall and short wall is equal. So, the long wall is 0.90 and short wall is 0.90 meter. Then next is length. How can we define the length of the long wall and short wall? The length of the long wall is formula is what? Center to center distance plus 1 breadth. The breadth is given 0.90. Long wall center to center distance is how much? 5.30. So, 5.30 plus 0.90 is equal to 6.20 meter. So, length of the long wall is 6.20 meter. Breadth is already given 0.90 meter. Then, height of the long wall is how much? The height of the long wall is how much? For excavation, we know the height of the excavation, we consider the bottom of the foundation to the ground level. So, the ground level is here, the ground line is here. So, the bottom of the foundation to the ground level, the bottom of the foundation is cement concrete and first footing, second footing. The total distance we consider from the bottom to the ground level. Here the 30 centimeter plus 30 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. Total is 90 centimeter. From the bottom of the ground level distance is 90 centimeter. Or we can write here 0.9 meter. So, here provided 0.9 meter. So, long wall, short wall also same, height is 0.9 meter. Because the cross section is equal same to for long wall and short wall. Then length of the long wall is how much? The length of the long wall is center to center distance plus 1 breadth. So, 6.20 meter. It is the long wall length. And breadth of the short wall, length of the short wall is how much? The length of the short wall is, formula is what? Center to center distance minus breadth. For long wall plus breadth, plus 1 breadth. But for short wall, the center to center distance minus breadth. The which center to center distance? The short wall center to center distance. The short wall center to center distance is equal to how much? 4.30. So, 4.30 minus 0.90. So, the distance is 3.40. The long wall total quantity is how much? Numbers 2 into length 6.20 into breadth 0.90 into height 0.90 is equal to total is equal to 10.04 meter cube. Okay, the total quantity is how much? The total quantity is number 2 into length 3.40 meter into 0.90 meter into 0.90 meter is equal to 5.51 meter cube. The total value is 15.55 meter cube. Okay. Then next is cement concrete in foundation. The after excavation, what is the first layer? First layer is concrete. So the next one is concrete in foundation. Here also long wall and short wall is provided. So how many numbers of long wall? 2 numbers. And how many numbers of short wall? 2 numbers. So cement concrete breadth is equal to how much? Concrete breadth is equal to how much? 0.90. Here provided 0.90. Breadth is 0.90. So we write here the breadth is 0.90. For short wall also 0.90 because the long wall and short wall cross section is equal. Okay. And so here the length of long wall is how much? Length of long wall is 6.20. Why? The length of long wall for concrete in foundation and excavation is equal, and length of short wall in concrete in foundation and excavation is equal because the excavation breadth is equal to the cement concrete in foundation breadth. Okay, so the length is also equal. So only the difference between the excavation and concrete foundation, it is the height is changed because the excavation height we consider from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level, but the concrete in foundation height we consider the specified thick the concrete is lying below the foundation. Okay, so here the concrete thickness is how much? Thickness provided 30 centimeter. So the height or depth is 0.30 meter for long wall and 0.30 meter for short wall also. So the total quantity is how much? The total quantity for long wall is numbers 2 into length 6.20 meter into breadth 0.90 meter and height 0.30 meter is equal to 3.35 meter cube, and short wall quantity is 2 number into length 3.40 meter into breadth 0.90 meter and depth or height is equal to 0.30 meter is equal to 1.83 meter cube. So total distance is 5.18 meter cube. Okay. So again I repeat, the excavation in foundation and concrete in foundation is the breadth and length is equal. In any types of building is given for calculation the quantity. So you consider the excavation length is equal to the cement concrete length and breadth of excavation is equal to the cement concrete breadth. Okay. First only difference is the height. Okay. The excavation height is bottom of the foundation to the ground level and the cement concrete height is the specified thickness contained by the cement concrete. Okay. Then we go into the next part. Brickwork in foundation and plinth. Third number bit, brickwork in foundation and plinth. Here to calculate the brickwork required for the foundation and plinth. The foundation, the brickwork consists first footing, second footing and plinth. Okay. So here the first footing, second footing and plinth we can consider for the soft structure. Okay. So here the first footing consider 60 centimeter breadth, second putty consider 50 centimeter breadth, and plinth consider 40 centimeter breadth. So we need to calculate the first footing, second footing and plinth separately. So today time is over. The remaining part of brickwork in foundation we will discuss in next class. Thank you.